Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove related products in WooCommerce. If you've noticed those product suggestions appearing at the bottom of your product pages and want to clean up your store's layout, this simple process will help you get rid of them completely. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that's associated with your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left navigation menu. From here, click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options. From the expanded menu, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install various plugins to extend the functionality of your WooCommerce store and customize it to fit your specific needs. You'll now be on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in NSRemove, and hit Enter. From the search results, look for a plugin called NSRemove Related Products for WooCommerce. Before installing, you might want to click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. This gives you a better understanding of its features and functions, ensuring it's the right fit for what you're trying to achieve. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let the process finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, look back at the left navigation menu. You'll notice a new option has appeared called Remove Related. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on it to access the settings. From here, the process becomes pretty simple and straightforward. You'll see a checkbox at the bottom of the page that allows you to remove the Related Products section from your product pages. Simply toggle this checkbox on to enable the feature. Once you've done that, make sure to click on Save Changes to apply your settings. This ensures that the Related Products section will no longer appear on your WooCommerce product pages. And there you have it, you've successfully removed related products from your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.